Welcome back. In this video, we're going to explore one of the most important topics for anyone aspiring to work in cybersecurity, certifications, and training paths. Certifications are crucial in the cybersecurity world because they demonstrate your skills, validate your expertise, and help you stand out to employers. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to advance in your career, there's a certification for you. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which ones are right for your career goals. That's why we're going to break it down for you today, covering everything from entry-level certifications to advanced specialized credentials. Why are certifications important in cybersecurity? Cybersecurity certifications are more than just a checkbox on your resume. They serve several key purposes. Validation of skills. Certifications prove that you have the knowledge and skills required to perform certain cybersecurity tasks. Employers use them to assess your qualifications. Standardization. The cybersecurity industry uses certifications to establish a common baseline of knowledge. This ensures that professionals across the world have a consistent understanding of core concepts and best practices. Career advancement. Earning certifications can help you qualify for more advanced roles, secure promotions, and negotiate higher salaries. They show that you're committed to continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest technologies. Compliance and regulations. Many industries, such as finance and healthcare, have strict cybersecurity regulations. Having certified professionals on staff helps companies meet these regulatory requirements. Now that we know why certifications matter, let's break down the different types of certifications available and which ones might be right for you, depending on where you are in your career. Entry-level cybersecurity certifications. If you're new to cybersecurity, there are several entry-level certifications designed to give you a solid foundation in security concepts, network defense, and ethical hacking. These certifications don't require years of experience, making them ideal for beginners. One, CompTIA Security Plus. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is often considered the go-to certification for entry-level cybersecurity professionals. It covers a broad range of topics, including network security firewalls, VPNs, and secure network architecture. Risk management, how to assess risks and implement security controls. Cryptography, encryption techniques used to protect data. Identity management, managing user accounts and access controls. Threat detection and response, identifying and responding to common cybersecurity threats. Security Plus is a vendor-neutral certification, which means it's not tied to any specific software or hardware platform. This makes it versatile and applicable to many different job roles, such as security administrator, systems administrator, and network administrator. One of the key benefits of Security Plus is that it's often a prerequisite for more advanced certifications. So earning it early in your career can open up doors for future learning opportunities. Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH for short, is ideal for those who want to dive into ethical hacking and penetration testing. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills to find vulnerabilities in systems and networks before malicious actors can exploit them. CEH teaches you hacking tools and techniques. You'll learn how to use tools like Kali Linux, Metasploit, and Wireshark to identify and exploit vulnerabilities. You'll also learn network scanning techniques for mapping out networks and finding potential entry points. Social engineering is another key area, teaching you how attackers manipulate individuals to gain unauthorized access to systems. CEH covers methods for launching and defending against denial of service, or DOS, and distributed denial of service, or DDoS, attacks. Additionally, you'll learn about cryptography, including how to use encryption to protect data and how attackers try to break it. CEH is well suited for those interested in penetration testing, red teaming, or vulnerability assessments. It's an excellent certification for anyone who wants to work as an ethical hacker or penetration tester. CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst, or CISA+, is another solid entry-level certification, but it focuses more on defensive security. If you're interested in working in a security operations center, or SOC, or as a security analyst, CISA+ is a great choice. The topics covered include threat intelligence, which helps you understand how to gather and analyze information about potential threats. Incident response is another key area, teaching best practices for responding to security breaches and incidents. You'll also learn about vulnerability management, including scanning and patching systems to reduce vulnerabilities. Behavioral analytics is another focus, using data to detect abnormal behavior on the network that could indicate a security threat. One of the benefits of CISA+ is that it focuses on real-world scenarios, helping you develop practical skills in threat detection and defense. It's a great certification for those who want to work on the defensive side of cybersecurity. Once you've built a solid foundation with entry-level certifications and gained some hands-on experience, it's time to move on to intermediate certifications. These certifications dive deeper into specialized areas and are ideal for professionals who want to advance to higher-level roles. Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP, is one of the most respected and widely recognized certifications in cybersecurity. It's often considered the gold standard for professionals who want to take on more senior roles, such as security manager, security consultant, or chief information security officer, commonly known as CISO. CISSP covers a broad range of topics across 8 domains. Security and risk management, which includes risk assessment, security governance, and legal issues. Asset security, focusing on protecting and managing sensitive data. Security engineering, which deals with designing and implementing secure architectures. Communications and network security, covering securing network architectures and protecting data in transit. Identity and access management, which is all about managing user permissions and access to resources. Security assessment and testing, involving conducting vulnerability assessments and penetration tests. Security operations, which includes incident response, monitoring, and continuous improvement. And finally, software development security, focusing on securing the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. CISSP is often pursued by professionals with several years of experience in IT or cybersecurity. To become certified, you'll need to pass a challenging exam and have at least 5 years of paid work experience in at least 2 of the 8 domains. Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM, is ideal for professionals who want to move into security management or leadership roles. It focuses on managing and overseeing security programs, making it a great option for those interested in roles like security manager or risk management consultant. CISM covers 4 primary domains. Information security governance, which involves establishing and managing an information security program. Risk management, focusing on identifying and mitigating security risks to the organization. Incident response, which is all about developing and implementing an incident response plan. And information security program development, which involves designing security solutions and policies to protect sensitive data. CISM is more focused on the strategic and managerial aspects of cybersecurity, so it's perfect for individuals looking to take on leadership positions and manage teams or security programs. With the growing reliance on cloud services, the Certified Cloud Security Professional, or CCSP, certification has become increasingly important. This certification is designed for professionals responsible for securing cloud environments such as AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. CCSP covers 6 domains: cloud architecture and design, which involves understanding the principles of cloud security and secure cloud architectures; cloud data security, focusing on protecting data in the cloud using encryption and other security measures; cloud platform and infrastructure security, which is all about securing cloud infrastructure and ensuring its availability; cloud application security, focusing on securing applications and workloads in cloud environments; cloud operations, which involves managing and securing cloud operations, including incident response; and legal and compliance, which covers understanding the legal implications of cloud security and ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. If you're interested in cloud security, CCSP is a great certification to have on your resume. It demonstrates your expertise in securing cloud environments, which is a highly sought-after skill in today's job market. Advanced and specialized certifications. For seasoned professionals looking to specialize in specific areas of cybersecurity or move into senior leadership roles, there are several advanced and highly specialized certifications available. Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP. The Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, is one of the most challenging and respected certifications for ethical hackers and penetration testers. Unlike most certifications, OSCP focuses heavily on hands-on skills. To earn the certification, candidates must complete a practical exam that involves hacking into a series of systems and gaining root or administrative access. The topics covered include penetration testing techniques, from reconnaissance to exploitation and post-exploitation; buffer overflows, understanding and exploiting buffer overflow vulnerabilities; web application security, identifying and exploiting web vulnerabilities; Active Directory attacks, exploiting weaknesses in Windows Active Directory environments. OSCP is highly regarded in the offensive security community and is perfect for those looking to work as penetration testers or red teamers. Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA. CySA is a specialized certification for professionals interested in IT auditing and compliance. It focuses on ensuring that organizations comply with security policies and regulations. If you're interested in assessing the effectiveness of an organization's security controls and identifying areas for improvement, CISA is a great option. CISA covers 5 key areas. Information system auditing, performing audits to assess an organization's information systems and controls; governance and management of IT, ensuring that IT aligns with business objectives and manages risk; information systems, acquisition and development, evaluating security during the acquisition and development of IT systems; information systems operations and business resilience; ensuring business continuity and disaster recovery; protection of information assets; safeguarding data and intellectual property. CySA is an excellent choice for those who want to work in IT audit or compliance roles. Conclusion. choosing the right certification path. With so many certifications to choose from, how do you know which one is right for you? It all depends on your career goals and current skill level. If you're just starting out, CompTIA Security Plus, or CEH, are excellent choices to build your foundation. For those with more experience, certifications like CISSP, CISM, and CCSP can help you advance to higher level roles or specialize in a specific area. The most important thing is to keep learning. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest certifications and technologies will help you stay ahead of the curve. Hey, if you're enjoying this content, it would really help both the algorithm and this channel if you could take a moment to like and subscribe. I'd be super grateful for your support. In our next video, we'll explore the tools and resources you can use to prepare for your certification exams. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.